At the heart of Europe's gateway lies a testament to seamless connectivity to make supply chains as smooth as possible. DP World redefines trade, setting the stage for a new era in logistics excellence. Strategically positioned at the crossroads of global trade, our state-of-the-art facilities in Antwerp are the beating heart of supply chain efficiency. Here at DP World in Antwerp, innovation meets reliability. Cutting-edge technology intertwines with decades of expertise, ensuring that every container that passes through our terminals does so with the utmost precision and speed. Our commitment to excellence is shared by our ferry and intermodal businesses in Zeebrugge through our commitment to safe and reliable transportation. Thanks to our state-of-the-art facilities in the ports of Antwerp and Zeebrugge and our integrated logistics solutions, DP World is driving trade towards a seamless future supply chain. Integrating physical infrastructure with technology, we create solutions and minimize disruptions from factory floor to customer door to change what's possible for everyone.